Morning, everyone. Welcome to the CA Premier, a brief update of the few changes which we have done on the payroll. But before I do that, I may want to recap on the other new things as well, which maybe other people could have missed it last week. Okay. Now, an event where you want to check the global exchange rates, you simply come here and check here. Okay. Yeah. So you can see when you update here. Okay, you need to select everything here and update. Okay, so what you get is the full update of the entire exchange rate, yeah, which are running. So you go to the report here, you have the exchange rate there now, for order, everything is there. So if you want to go to check the Zambian virtual one, you go down here. This is your ZMW. This is how it's performing against other currencies. So I won't go much in detail on that one because we covered this I think last week. Yeah. So let's go to the payroll and see what has changed there. Okay. Yeah, the normal. I think people are used this way. So do it like this. Go back here. So now all you need to do is when you come under payroll here, there is where it says where you add the stuff here. When you add the stuff, your stuff should have an ID here. As you can see, this is myself here, my details here. Now I have a picture there. Yeah, so that if an auditor comes, we'll be able to know to say, okay, this person is a graduate there. So yeah, I've left some of the information. Suppose I wanted to add my qualification. How am I going to do it? You just double click here. Okay. Then what I'll do is I'll add my qualification here. So where let's see if I have something on my desktop. Do I have something on my desktop? Okay, which I can easily add. Okay, the first qualification to add is AAT there. Then I'll add another one there. This one SCCA. Okay, then I'll add another one there. What else do I need to add? They are still going. I can add my degree here. Okay, which other one should I add? Yeah, I can add my practicing certificate. Okay, all right. Where is the? Yeah, where is the? My Payroll status. Okay, okay. I think maybe it's down there. Where's my practicing certificate here? Okay, okay. I can add my practicing certificate here. Yeah, yeah, it's added there. All right. Is there anything to add? Oh yeah, my auditing status, then auditing. Do I have something there? Yeah, I think so. Unless otherwise, I think I didn't copy that one. Oh, internal audit, maybe it's called internal audit. Okay. Anyway, others can remain. I don't have to put everything here. Yeah. Others can remain. I just want to show you that, okay, these things works. Okay. Then I'll simply say, okay. Yeah. So I have all these qualifications. So if I move like this, it gives me those like this. You see, there we are, like this. Okay, that's my practicing certificate. Okay, and that was the last one. So you just use these colors. This is where how you put your credentials for your employees, like this. You can see that is my picture there to show that I'm a graduate. That is my degree certificate. Okay, from Oxford Brooks. So you have also this one, my SCCA final level. Okay, you have also my AAT there. Yeah, you move around like that. Okay, yeah. So what happens when you want to appraise myself? You appraise it here. So you select it, the name of the employee who you want to appraise there. Okay, appraise date. Let's say today. Yeah, you put today's date. The standard score is normally 100%. Okay, let's say maybe one is scored 95%. Now, what are the areas which I need to improve on? I would say maybe I need to put more effort on coding. Okay, then I can add it there. Right? Okay, done. So now, suppose my boss wants to see that report. What are we gonna do? You simply come here, okay, we select it, okay, yeah, you select it, and I go under finance, then open it, appraisal report. So that is my appraisal report. Have you seen? Okay, so this is my appraisal report, and my remarks are like that. So this is a clear report which you can now use for your employees, so that from there you are able to see those who are underperforming, things like that. If you want to export this, you can still export it to your Excel. How do you export it to Excel? Yeah, you can export it to Excel in any. On this one, unfortunately, you can only do it in PDF. Yeah, but to those who may want to export in Excel, we'll put a button for Excel as well. No problem. That's not an issue. Yeah. So this is how it is done. It's very straightforward. There's no problem about it. Yeah. So in this case, we are saying we are done with the payroll. I think this is all you needed. And remember, the same payroll, you can still export. You can still email your pay slips. Yeah, at one go to wherever you want them to go. Yeah, things like that. Yeah, you don't even need to worry. Yeah, so that's how it works. So yeah, so I think the other time we talked about a calculator here on the project accounting. Yeah, for people who are doing projects, this is a very difficult area. That's why we had to add a calculator here down here. This is the way how it works. You calculate the values in advance before you allow the ESD gadget to sign on the invoice, so that you are sure of what you are signing for. Yeah. So that's the thing. So everything is there for you. You don't need to worry. So there are also issues where the other person came up with the issue of saying no, but um how do I go to the receipts? Suppose I'm finished with the tax invoice. You simply come here. Okay. When you come here, then you go to the receipt here. You can do your receipt there. After doing your receipt, you print your receipt. You want to allocate your receipt to a particular invoice, you can allocate it here. There's no problem. Now, what if you want to email this invoice which you have done? You come here. You want to email to the client, you simply come here and attach, yeah, the whatever thing it is, yeah. So you can email. There's no problem here, yeah. So that's how it works. You can email that, yeah. You can email it as a PDF. You can email it like it is as PDF, whatever the invoice is. Okay, then you move on. Now I'm canceling it because I don't need to email anything. Okay. So we have also the POS here. The POS is the normal POS here. The one which you see in a major supermarket, this is the same one. Yeah. The only difference is once the invoice is signed, it goes automatically to the printer there. Okay, that's it. Your job is to simply wait for an invoice to come out of from the POS print and give it to your customer there. Okay, that's about this one. And again, it has also some other facilities. This is a calculator, and at the same time, it's also a keyboard. You can use this, which looks like a calculator, and at the same time, you can use it as a keyboard. So those are the things which are there. So you can close this one. And then you have also, yeah, the hotel module. I think many people do not understand the hotel, that this software also does also hotels, lodges, and everything. Okay, you can use this for your hotel accounting as well. Okay, you do your guest ledger booking here. Okay, yeah, you enter all the information there. After entering the information, then you need to go and do the booking here. Okay, where do you do the booking? Here, booking and reserves. Okay, you do your booking here. Okay, once the booking is done, you add, then you close. You can print the guest ledger. Where do you print the guest ledger now? Here. Okay, form. You print your guest ledger form and give it to the customer. Okay, or your client. Okay, things like that. Then, what about if you're a management accountant? Okay, you want to ensure that all the costs are gone to the correct cost code. What do you do? Okay, in that case, you need to come to cost allocation here. Okay, this is where you come. You can allocate. You can see the department are here. So you simply, once you pull the voucher there, you simply allocate it to the department. Now, at the moment, I don't have any voucher here. Do I have any voucher to show? No, nothing. But the voucher there, I can even see it will pop up. The moment I select it there, it will pop up here. Then you check if the cost allocation is wrong, you can correct it here and assign it to the correct cost. Then you close it here. So, then the GRN also gives you the opportunity to open the stock report here. You've seen from GRN, you can go and open the stock report. You can view as well for there the stock valuation, and also at the same time export the stock report to Excel. So all these things are there. So okay. Oh yeah, and also costing. You can as well do the costing here using the same one. This one. Yeah, this is your costing, landed costing schedule. You know, sometimes people who are not really fully cooked accountants, they might think that the costing is done at invoice stage. No, you can't do the costing at invoice stage. You do the costing at the time when you are actually receiving the goods in your warehouse, so that whatever is going to sit in your warehouse will go at landed cost. When you do the costing at invoice stage, it's too late. You can't do that. It means that the stock will be sitting at order value. Then it saves no purpose at all. That's what it is. So that's why you have to do the landed costing at receiving stage. That's where how it is. You have all these things, Yeah, I don't have to explain anything here. I think it's for the accountant to sort out all these things. All right. So budgeting is very easy. You simply create your budgets here. The way you create your budget, you simply say you create a month-wise. The accounts are already here. Okay, you just select the account code which you want to create a budget there, and you put the amount which you have assigned with the month, line item, like that. Yeah, until you finish all the 12 months like that. Department wise, remember, these are by department. Here you have the department here. Okay, you budget according to departments, which is the cost center, so that you are able to see the cost center, which is the waste. Without that, how are you going to control it? That's how it works. Don't have to go in detail on that one. The general ledger, I think you are familiar with the general ledger here. Yeah, okay. This one, you are familiar with that. After doing or whatever you are doing, you can even go to the payment. It's linked to the payment as well, things like that. So yeah, there's nothing. This is a more advanced accounting package. I'm sure some you may be seeing it for the first time. Yeah, it's not like it was done somewhere. This is a Zambian product born here in Zambia. Okay, we did it ourselves as chartered accountants who understand the Zambian scenario. That's why this package is even able to communicate to Zambia Revenue Authority in terms